Hello everyone, I'm Annie here. This video to show you another porcelain boots kit. And I remember, who watched my video, that you have seen before this boot kits. And the last video that I showed this boot kits is, I only have made one, and I mentioned these two boots is keep it for myself. But since many members still they love this kit, so I make it for them, and and see who interested, so you can get these boots, okay? And for this boot kit I show you, you will have this tie-dye bridal lace, and the item is different from the previous, the last kit that I sell, because I already run out for all those items, so I make the different one, but also it's the gorgeous one. And this one is from Esme. I purchased from Esme, but because I see this is quite matched with this kit, so I have to take it out. And I have mentioned it have two different color. This is with the pink, this dusty pink, and those the other one is just ivory and cream. And the boots also, this is in the white color, and this is in the cream color. Okay, so so many beautiful items here. Okay, and I also include this. See how you use all this you have to. And I also have some of these. These are so beautiful if you use this to cover that. So okay, see how you play with this. Okay, and this also. And for the stick paint here, I use this dusty pink and pale champagne color, and I use the long stick pen to poke it and make this pink cushion here, so like so. And this one, if you can make it, let's cover here. And some of these eyelet lace, see how you use this. Okay, and also some this in the avocado pink, very pale dusty pink. And this one, this one you can layer with, cover with this, and layer the big piece under behind. Just follow your way, see how you create. Okay, and I have no more. The last two pieces this also, I have to part it with this. Okay, and this one is the okay, see how you play with this one. And this is the stick paint. And this one I include these two beautiful, this in the pink crystal. You can add one in here or add one behind here. Okay, so this is the dusty pink with the cream, and now this one is the cream. And also you have this bridal lace piece, and this one eyelet lace in the cream color, and this is the tie-dye. And some of the items will be different. And this one, I just want to show you the paint, so I use this one. Okay, and I also include this. See how you create with this. And also one big piece of this, beautiful. And this piece, and another one, so and also add one more extra flower, this, and take this big piece and the tangled piece, and do in the this one. You can see the glitter, so you have one here and one here. So yeah, this all do is this porcelain boots. See, who interested, just stop by to my Facebook kit group, and yeah, and place order. And thanks again for everyone, and bye.